So we stayed at the Fairmont Orchid on the big island of Hawaii. We celebrated our 10th wedding anniversary. We had lunch at the Rim restaurant located inside the volcano house. It's the perfect spot to see the crater. That's Punalu'u Black Sand Beach. It's amazing to see a jet black sand, and it's also a well-known nesting place for sea turtles. So we went on the submarine adventure. I believe we paid $135 per person. It's a pretty interesting experience. The actual underwater tour time is 45 minutes. The shuttle boat ride from the pier to the submarine and transfer is just 5 minutes each way. I highly recommend you do the luau. It was more than a show, so don't miss this event. Good food, stunning sunset, plus a full open bar.
Oh,